Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I
see. Hey guys, it's me again. Yes, it's me, and no, I'm not dead. In short, a lot of bad things happened while I was away, so I got a little sidetracked from this project of mine. But I'm back now, and hopefully it works out this time. First of all, a huge thanks to all the people who still watched the only few videos I have on my channel and kept commenting about new videos and asking me when I'm coming back. It really kept my morale up during that time. Thank you. So to start again, or to resume, I must say, let's start with an easier tutorial. Well, a lot of you must have noticed YouTubers using subtitles in their videos, and they use subtitles that are really catchy but still easier to read. They also make the subtitles attractive and add animations to them so that the videos interact more with the audience. And one of this technique is they make their subtitles go pop pop pop. And since the last subtitle video I made a couple months back, a few of you asked me how to make those bouncy subtitles, so here it is. First of all, let's get this clear. If I had the option, I would always use After Effects in place of Premiere Pro to add my subtitles. The thing is, Premiere Pro always keeps on crashing, and also After Effects has way more options. This technique can be done in both Premiere Pro and After Effects, but After Effects always has an upper hand on Premiere Pro. So the very first step is you say something or you record something of yourself saying, because if you don't, there is no point of subtitles. Plain and simple. Now that you have recorded your video or audio file, import your video or audio file into Premiere Pro sequence. Press T and click on the screen, and this will create a text layer. Now type in whatever you just said, select all the text, go into the effects control panel, align the text to the center, move the anchor point to the center of your text. Now it is really important to move the anchor point to the center of your text, not the center of your sequence, because when you change the transform values of your text, it will change with the reference to the anchor point. For example, if the anchor point is in the center of the sequence and you change the size of the text, it changes with respect to the anchor point which is in the center of the screen. If the anchor point is in the corner of your text, the size changes with respect to the anchor point in the corner. But if the anchor point is in the center of the text, the size changes with respect to the center of the text. Maybe that made sense to you. Now with all your text still selected, confirm your font, color, stroke, and everything else about the text before we move forward to animation. Now that you're satisfied with how your text look, we can move on to animation. Now our goal is to make this text layer appear from nowhere and make the text animation look a little attractive and bouncy. Now all you have to do is seek to the beginning of the text layer where you start speaking, and then click on the little stopwatch button on the scale. Now set the scale value to 0, move a couple frames forwards, set the scale value to 120, move a couple more frames forwards, set the scale value to 100. Now preview the animation. It looks like the text emerges from oblivion, right? It also appears bouncy. Now you can tweak the animation of the text layer by changing the distance between the three keyframes as per your need, but keeping them near to each other is probably the best idea. You can also tweak the animation a little more by selecting two of the keyframes, right clicking and selecting ease in or ease out as per your need. Now if you want to do the same thing in After Effects, it's simple, it's pretty much the same steps, but you can tweak the animation a little more to your need with help of graphs, which is easier if you understand graphs. Now that you're happy with your intro, let's move on to the outro. There are multiple types of outro that you can do with your subtitles. The easiest one is fade out, where you just have to keyframe the opacity from 100 to 0. Now if you want to one-up the fade out outro, you can also change the position with the fading out. All you have to do is click on the little stopwatch on the position value, create a keyframe where the opacity starts fading or where you want to start the outro, move a couple of frames forwards, move the text layer downward, select both the keyframes, right click and press ease in. Now this animation looks way better than a regular fade out. Now tweak the animation as per your will by changing the distance between the two keyframes, and this will look a little better than a normal fade out. Now if you want the same outro as your intro, which is that you want your text to implode into oblivion, all you have to do is copy those three keyframes you made in the starting towards the end and exchange the first and the third keyframes with each other. Now preview the animation and the text will bounce back to oblivion. So that's it. That's the secret of creating explosive subtitles. Well, not a secret, but yeah, technique. So if you found some value in this video that I made, maybe you learned something, press the like button, maybe press the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you're old to the channel and still haven't subscribed, What are you waiting for? It's free. Just press that red button, turn it gray. Again, thanks to all the people who were still commenting and suggesting me video topics to make. I wasn't there, but I am now. I will try to make all of them. Let's see where this goes, and please keep those opinions, comments and reviews coming. They really do help me a lot. And also tell me how the new setup is. Better than the last one or not? Also, I started streaming games a while back. I don't know how long that will last. Not really good at games, but me and my friends have a lot of fun. Check out this video if you want to, somewhere in the screen. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.